Hello everyone, and welcome to this online demo of ncloud.swiss. I'm going to give you a brief introduction on what our ncloud platform is capable of and what it can provide you as a customer, but also as a reseller in terms of functionalities, features, and applications. And we'll also go into a demo where I'm going to briefly touch each of those individual features so that you get an idea of what the application or what the platform looks like and what it is capable of and what we can and how we can serve you. So what you see here on the screen is an overview of the complete ncloud.swiss ecosystem. On the bottom, as you can see, we're providing infrastructure as a service, then on top of that platform as a service, but also software as a service. On the infrastructure side, you can easily spin up virtual machines, you can run your backups, you can run like networking, you've got storage, etc. On the platform side, you can run all your EC2 instances. For example, if you're on AWS and you want to have an alternative, then you can simply, with a few steps, export your VMs from EC2 and import into our platform. Same applies for S3. And what is extremely important to know, we provide the complete AWS API stack for those services. So whenever you have something running on AWS and you've created your code there, you have your API calls that you run on a regular basis against AWS, you can simply copy paste that code, replace the URL, point it against ncloud.swiss, and you can run exactly the same code and workloads on our platform. On the software as a service side, there's a lot of things like database as a service. Also Kubernetes, Docker, then load balancer as a service, CloudWatch, and there's a lot more to come there. So there's all types of well-known AWS services that you will see popping up here in the next months. On top of the infrastructure, we've got an application catalog. That application catalog includes at the moment 142 applications, which are well-known open source applications that are free to use. You can simply click those applications, download them, and our platform will immediately spin up a VM, and you've got your application up and running within just a few seconds instead of minutes or even hours and days. And as I said, they're all open source, free to use. And as well here, there's more than those 142 applications in the future. The nCloud Store is Netcom's cloud store, where our customers that are developing applications on our platform, they can simply populate their applications into our marketplace and use our marketing, but also provide their applications to other customers, which then can simply search through the store by categories, by application type, click the application. If they're interested, simply hit the button and the application will be spinned up on our platform, and the customers can immediately start using it. So a very simple and efficient way to, on one side, sell your applications, but on the other side also for customers to find the right application for their needs. Now, before I go into the demo, there's just two major things that I would like to mention again. One is, as you can see here on the top, we've got a lot of API compatibilities with AWS, with Azure, and there is more to come, like Google and Alibaba Cloud in 2018. The second thing is the whole ecosystem, the whole platform is also being provided by Netcom if you want to run this on-premise. So if you're an enterprise customer and you need to have your infrastructure locally, all your sensitive client data needs to reside in your data center, we can build up the whole ncloud.swiss infrastructure on-premise and in your data center, teach your internal staff how to use it, and you can benefit from AWS-like regions on-premise in your data center.